Good morning, children. Today I have come with a big surprise. And do you know what is that surprise? Yes, Animal Kingdom. Children, these are wild animals and these are farm animals. So, let's start with the beautiful song. Everybody sing with me. Okay? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. And a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. And a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here quack, there quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some hens, E-I-E-I-O. And a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here cluck, there cluck, everywhere cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. So children, do you enjoy this? Do you want to see farm animals? Yes? So let's go.
Children, this is a cow. It gives us milk.
Children, this is a hen. It gives us eggs. Children, this is a sheep and sheep gives us wool. Children, that is a pig. We keep pig in farms for meat and medicine. Children, this is a goat. It also gives us milk. So children, have you learned? Farm animals are so important for us. They give us so many things and they are very helpful to us. So we should not tease animals and we should love them. Okay?